Hi there, how am I Sikola Oshibikon, your Salesforce CRM cloud computing and data analysis career coach. I welcome you all to Talent Lincoln. On this channel, we are all about unlocking your potential, taking your career to the next level. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and make sure to turn on your notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. And if you find this video valuable, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Thank you.
All right, Nick. So keep going in providing solutions, tip, insight, and the Salesforce ecosystem. On this use case for today, I'm going to be discussing how to create a new user account in Salesforce. It's very important for us to know how to create a new user account or do onboarding for a new user on the Salesforce platform. It's one important part of core responsibility in terms of users management of when Salesforce administrator is carrying out responsibility. So users management is very key, and in users management is the area you're going to be taking care of how to create new users account in Salesforce, creating doing onboarding for new users, new employees for your company, those that will be logging in with their users name and password. Those are the users on Salesforce platform. Those employees in your company where you work as a Salesforce administrator that are logging in with their user's name and password. You refer to them as users on the platform, and it's your core responsibility to administer the platform for them to be able to carry out their duty efficiently, and you make sure that you make the platform as users friendly as possible. The next thing I just want to ask is what is a user in Salesforce? Generally we might look at users as somebody that uses something. It's when we are in Salesforce ecosystem, we should know that users have different meaning entirely. So for Salesforce professional, a user is anyone who logs into Salesforce. Users are employees at your company, and such as sales rep, managers, marketers, sales reps, IT specialists, solution engineers, project managers. So far they log in with users name and password, we refer to them as users on Salesforce platform who need to access the company's record for one thing or the other. So every user in Salesforce has a user account, and it's your responsibility to manage user account on Salesforce platform. So in Salesforce, each user is uniquely identified with a username. These are the fields you need to have provide when you are creating a user account. There must be username. The username must be unique. No any two person will have, or second person will have the same username with another person. Two users cannot have the same username. Then you create, you have password, you have profile, and there are other things like first name, last name, roles. Together with other settings, the profile determine which tasks a user can perform and whatever data the user can see, and what the user can do with those with the data they are able to access on the Salesforce platform. Because there is a security in place, you don't just open up your platform for all the users to do whatever they like or to access other people's record anyhow they want. That's why you have profile to give profile level of security, and that is why you also have permission set. If there is any reason for you as a tool, permission sets, if there's any reason for you to assign any for the user to see beyond accessibility that is being provided by the profile. So when you create a user's account, it can definitely contain the following. These are the things you will say in the user on the user's account. You will see username, you will see email address, you see user's first name. That is optional there, but the user's last name is required. You can't have any users on Salesforce platform without having the last name. The alias is there, nickname is there, license is there, and profile and role, which is also optional as well, is also there. So that's just it on the getting to know what you need to have on users accounts as information that is regard to users account that need to be provided, and other details that will really make the users account a functional one. And apart from that, you also know that users on Salesforce platform are those people or those employees that log in with their users name and password into the Salesforce software. Now let us dive into the playground and create a user for the first time as a. Now I need to go to the setup. From setup, I will type in the quick find box users. So from there, I'll be able to, let me just create users. Type in users. And now these are all the users on this platform. And I believe I still have one Salesforce license I can use to create a new user for the first time for this demonstration. So I just click on new user. From new user now, I will say, okay, the first name for this user. You see all these ones with red, they are all required. You need to provide all the red, all these boxes that has been lined with red simply means required. I'll call this new user Jack. Then the last name of this user, I will say Rich. That making Jack Rich. Then let me kind of use email address. That's yeah. Let me just use a then the username must be unique on the platform. So I just going to say Jack. Jack must be unique, and it must be in form of email address. So I'm going to say Jack at Outfield, Jack at Talent, Jack at Talent, linker.com. So if no one has used this user's name before on Salesforce platform, then definitely it's going to work. Do I have to create nickname? Just let me leave it as that, as being as a default there. And title, I can say solution engineer. Something talent linker. Then I need to assign profile now. The profile that I'm going to assign to Jacklist will determine what Jacklist can do on this platform. The first thing I need to pick up license for Jack Rich. Let me give him a Salesforce license so that you can really perform Lightning, a user that can be able to access Lightning experience on the platform. We'll give him custom sales profile. Yeah, let me give custom sales profile. Yeah. Oh yeah. Solution manager. a solution architect, and is having a solution manager. The solution managers are the one that will be taking care of cases. The company supervise other agents working on different cases and all the rest. They are the one managing them. So that's a good one for Jackrich. And then with other thing that I need to show you here, I want you to generate a password immediately. And this is a select. But if you want to create a user without giving you don't want to generate the new password immediately, you just deselect this. We also have other things here: time zone, the locate at Los Angeles. This is the default one that is being given at this time. But if the language is different, you can change the language for this particular user. So just click on this, and definitely for the user alone, the language maybe is in the location whereby they speak French or they speak Yoruba in Africa or whatsoever. You're going to change it just that way, like that there. So, and that is it. The things about having how to set up users account on Salesforce platform. At this point, I'll just click save. So if it is accepted now, that means everything is going on well with my users. So we can continue on user management responsibility. There are still many areas to touch: how you can freeze users, how you can reset password for users, how you can do all those things will be coming up in my next video.
Alright, that's a wrap up for today's
time.
video. I hope you have picked up some valuable insights and actionable tips in Salesforce ecosystem. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you found it helpful, I'm Asikola Oshivikan, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.